Let's use the build a word strategy with the vowel R pattern. The word is born. I was born in the month of August. What's the word? Born. You say it. Born. Let's see how many phonemes or sounds are in the word born. B or N. Again, B or N. There are 3 phonemes, so I need 3 lines. B or N. The first phoneme or sound in the word born is B. All right? What's the grapheme? B. This is the one that's tricky. This sound here is OR. Here is my vowel, and here is my R. All right? My vowel R. And the final phoneme in the word born is N. What about the grapheme? It's the letter N, or the grapheme N. All right, let's spell that. B-O-R-N. Born.